Hi there, this is Abhishek, and in this video I will talk about how you can add the totals to your columns or to your rows like we do it in any of our spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel, where down there at the end of the column you have the total for entire row. Similarly, down here you have the total for entire columns. So it's pretty straightforward within the Tableau. So what you can do is you can go into the analysis, and within analysis you have totals. So you have show row grand total or show column grand total. Apart from that, row total to the left or column totals to top. So let's first click the row grand total. So here we have the average as we have taken, so that's why average has been given to us for all of entire this row. Similarly, what we can do is take a column grand total down here. So apart from those two options which you were getting, the row total to left or column totals to top, as it is indicates, we are getting the total for row on the right side. We can take it on the left side by clicking it over here. So first it is coming here, and similarly column total at top will basically give this particular row at the top. So if that is your requirement, you can simply go ahead and do that. So let me just remove this row total to left because we are used to seeing this. Apart from this, you have the option of applying the table calculations. So for example, currently we are using the average and we want to apply some of the table calculations over here. So for example, percentage of table. So if we click over here, this basically gives us the particular percentage related to the entire table that we have. So apart from this, you have the option of percentage of column. So it gives us percentage by each of the column. Similarly, you have the option of taking a percentage of row, pane, cell, and so on and so forth. So that's how very quickly you can basically get the entire table calculations based on your need. Apart from that, you can also click over here and go to quick table calculation, and then you have a couple of other options. Like here we have currently percentage of total, we have running total as if we want it, and apart from that you have rank, percentile, percent difference, moving average, the different ways of running the entire table calculation. If you don't want the table calculation, you have the option of clearing the table calculation. So that's the idea I wanted to give you about adding the grand totals at the row or column level, and how you can perform the table calculations either by going over here where you can deep down into the percentage, and over here from the pill you have the multiple different options of applying the table calculation.